Congrats to Elliot and Monosphere, I think their name is. Congrats to them for making this. They're the owners. I'll play Train Bomb. I play this game a lot, so I'm not good at it, I would say, but I'm not absolutely horrible. So, I hope you enjoy. I got in a lobby with only one other person? Oh my goodness. And now I got in a lobby by myself. Now I got a lobby with now I got a lobby by myself? Now I got a lobby with 2 other people? Oh my goodness.
Or Jay's Brain Man.
How unlucky am I?
I keep seeing you.
No, I've never seen you in my life.
Oh no, I'm talking about JH Brain Man.
Anyway, I guess it's time for war. I love war, don't you?
Oh yeah, I love war.
War's my favorite.
Oh yeah, just a fellow bomb.
Oh my goodness.
War is good.
Oh, we got another person. Never mind, they left. Is this entire video just going to be me and you? Is it just going to be me and you this entire time?
Yeah, prob.
I need more entertainment than just one person. Gargly, gargly.
Gargle, I'm so bad. That's what I would say. Gargle, I'm
a bird.
So bad.
I didn't ask. Get over here.
I'm cooked. Yeah.
I'm cool.
I said I'm cooked.
We have a new person. We finally have a new person. And then the moment that a new person joins, everybody joins. It's not just going to be a lobby of 2. Yay! I'm so happy. More entertainment. And they look like pros, so I'm probably going to get cooked, but whatever. It doesn't matter. Quit? I love quitting.
I have Eller. Yeah, why is that train so long?
I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably just gonna be a chill guy. Whenever I become a chill guy, I just have some crazy power where I can just dodge everything. Bum 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 bum.
You know you're blind, right?
I got hit by the sign.
Oh,
is that okay? Wee! I don't know where they are.
No corner camping.
I'm not corner camping, bud.
No, please! I need this win.
I need this win.
Hopeless.
I need this win for the viewers. Oh, I failed.
I need this win. My mama kind of homeless.
But I needed it for the viewers. Driving in my car.
Driving in my monkey right after a beer. Hey, that beer is shaped like a monkey. D-U-I, how about you die? I'll go 100 miles.
Throw bottles at it.
An hour.
It'll wake up eventually.
Hold up, let me just fire this.
Okay, this is war now. I love war, don't you? I must have.
There's 2 galaxies.
I must have entertainment. Give me the entertainment.
You know you missed, right?
Yes, I did. That is correct.
You're the first person I saw. Don't assume me of targeting. Of course. That's your favorite thing to do, isn't it? Just camp the wall.
Wait.
So I can't punch you.
Oh, hi, guys.
Hi.
Bottom.
Hi, bye.
Bye. Why'd you say bye?
There's a bomb there.
I ain't going anywhere.
Oh, yes, you will.
Oh, of course, you're standing in the wall.
Oh, yes, you will, bro. Yeah, this guy is just sitting on the wall.
He's just watching us battle.
Yeah.
Goodbye! That was very, very not fun. Whee!
God. Alright, I reloaded it. Let me fire it at someone. Yeah, I'm firing at you.
I am a person that exists. Did you know that?
Guys, look. Whatever. Gotta reload this.
I need to get at least one win from these people. And then I can go into party, probably for my next video.
Hey! No!
One win must come. Whee! I always came back. Oh, corner camper here. I'm a bird. That's, there's somebody left? Excuse me? Wait a minute. What? How did they, what? I'm so confused. I am very confused. Whatever, I'll still find a way to beat him. I'll beat him somehow. And then we can end it. I don't want this to be any longer. I'm tired of this. I just want to go. I just want to stop. I don't know if I'm gonna do this unedited or just edit like 1 second or 2. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna edit at all. I might just leave it unedited. You never know. What is this? What is this monstrosity? Okay. I'm going down. I mean up. That's very interesting, but I don't care. What am I witnessing? Oh, that looks painful. Is that painful? It looks very painful. No, come on. I just need one win against these people. Just one. And then I can get out of here. Please. Please, I don't want to be here anymore. Just let me stop. I'm being forced to record this. I don't want to do it anymore. Can I stop now? Please? Can I need one win. That's all I need. I can get anything except first. I can get out 4th somehow. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I finally got my win. Now I can stop. Please, free me. It was nice knowing you. I don't want to do this anymore.